Hey there, I'm Adam Brown of Remax Hallmark. Welcome to 2026 and our January Homes Gazette. Today I wanted to speak to you a little bit about what we saw in 2025. So just before the end of the year, our COO, Steve Tabrizi, gave a great presentation to us about what we saw in the market in 2025. The best word to describe 2025 was sluggish. We definitely saw a lot of inconsistency in the market throughout the year. In fact, if you look at some of the stats, and you'll notice that on this first slide that we're sharing. So here is an overview of what we've seen in the market over the past 4 years. And what you can see from this is that the peak prices in the GTA were reached really in the first quarter of 2022 when the average price hit $1.2 million. It's now come down roughly between 15 to 20% from that peak, sitting at just over $1 million. And the other key factor to remember is the volume numbers. Those volume numbers are down between 20 to 35%. We're going to share the link to Steve's full video podcast in the link below. So if you want more details on that, feel free to click on that. So what can we expect, or what can you expect as our clients sort of as we move into 2026? I think what we're going to start to see in 2026 is a slow recovery. So as you can see in the slide, the first quarter of 2026 will be a wait and verify mindset for many people. They're going to want more clarity on where interest rates are, where the overall economy is, and whether we're going to finally get some resolution with this tariff conversation with the US. What we're also then seeing is that by mid to late 2026, there'll be an uptick in confidence, a little bit more liquidity in the market, but more confidence as well. And then finally, as we merge into 2027 and 2028, that's where you're going to go back to this more normalized rate of growth. Obviously, the market has reset from the lofty highs of 2021, and we will be moving into this more normalized annual growth rate be of between 3 to 5% beginning in 2027 and beyond. So I hope that you found this very helpful, giving you a little more insight on what we saw in 2025 and what we can hopefully expect in 2026. We will keep you up to date, obviously on a monthly basis, but if you have any questions at all, if you need a home evaluation or you're thinking about buying or selling, feel free to reach out to me direct at 416-402-1389 or email me anytime at adam@adambrown.com, and we will catch up with you again in February. Thanks so much.